Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're looking at another tool I picked up for my garage. And this is a sandblast cabinet. So we can go hardcore into powder coating small parts in my garage. This is just a little small guy right here, a little tabletop version. Should work good enough for me. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Let's see what's going down. Looks like we have some assembly to do. It's not just pull it out of the box and give her. No siree. Apparently that's not the case. So this is a sandblast cabinet here. We just got to finish assembling it. I just hooked up the light. Nothing too exciting. Hook up the hose. The grate, the bottom piece should be good to go. We're kind of jumping around here. Got that part on. I don't know, does this screen sandwich between? Or does it just... I would think ultimately the tube should be somewhere in the middle, but if you put it the other way around so that the rubber hose here would come out here, it's got a pretty good kink in it then. This way it's more of a flexible run. Oh, this is the cabinet all in its glory. You ready to try it out? It's even got an LED light in there. That's pretty modern. Can you turn it? I guess it's fixed. I think it'll work. The bag of environmentally friendly EnviroGrit silica-free sandblast abrasive. We're gonna put some in there. Well then. Roughly about 10 pounds it will be. Alrighty, well let's talk about that cabinet sandblaster I purchased. It was a little bit of a chore to assemble. Nothing too hard. Putting the legs on was a little awkward. Just the one bolt, nothing too major. There's a lot of things I have to figure out with it yet. At first I wasn't too happy with the way it was blasting. I tried 2 different types of media. I tried like that, I think it's like a silica sand, which is very dangerous. And then I went back to the crushed glass, which I was using the first time because the results were better. But not only is it about the media, it also has to deal with your pressure that you're blasting with. Because if you have more media going through the gun, your velocity is less and you're not going to get the effect you want. Now, there's no throttle or valve on this setup, but it does come with different nozzles that have different holes in them. So I changed it down to the smallest setting, and next time I blast something I'm going to try it out. So I'm not going to honestly give it a review right now. There's just basically an unboxing, first look, first tryout. I got to work out the bugs in that and get it down. But otherwise, you know, for the size, for the stuff that I'm going to be doing, it's perfect. So I'm going to get going. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.